video of how Minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now, while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and locked. Pick board 1 and attach the door magnets. Pick board 2 and attach it to board 1. Pick board 3 and attach it to board 1. Pick board 4 and attach it to board 1. Make sure the Minifix housing of 2, 3, and 4 boards are facing inside and closer to board 1. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Place board 5 flat on 2, 3, and 4 boards. Tighten board 5 with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach the metal legs with the given screws using screwdriver as shown. Now turn the unit upright. Make sure the rough sides are on the same side. Attach board 6 to the rough side of the unit. Now turn the unit upright. Pick board 7 and attach the metal panels. Attach the round handle with the given screws using screwdriver to board 7. Attach the plastic hinges on both sides, up and down, of board 7. Slightly tilt the board 7 and first insert the bottom plastic hinge, then slowly straighten the board and the top hinge will be automatically inserted. Attach the shelf support L plugs on all 4 sides equally so that the board can stand flat. Slightly tilt board 8, slide it in and place it on the shelf support L plugs. Your product is ready to use.